Hey PayPal users, need to keep your PayPal transaction history private? Maybe you share an account or forgot to log out. I'll show you the best ways to hide your transactions, since deleting them isn't an option. So PayPal does not let you delete or fully hide transaction history due to security and legal record-keeping rules. You can archive transactions to move them off the main activity page, but they're still accessible. If you share a device or account, like I did once, you'll need a workaround to keep things private. To hide transactions from the main view, log into paypal.com or the PayPal app, go to the activity, then all transactions, find payment you want to hide and click archive, and it's done. Archived transactions move to the archived section, viewable only if someone selects that filter. It's not perfect, but it reduces visibility. For extra privacy, use a browser's incognito mode to access PayPal. It will not save your session if you forgot to log out. To fully erase history, you must delete your PayPal account entirely via Settings, Data and Privacy, and delete your Data and Close account if you want to completely wipe the history. Questions? Share below, like and subscribe. See you next time.